Welcome to Digital Cat. Imagine skipping the crowded airports, avoiding long security lines, and flying directly to your destination in unparalleled comfort and style. Is it that awesome? Today, we were unveiling the world of air taxi and air chartered services in India, a game changer for those who value time, convenience, and luxury. Buckle up as we take you on a journey through the skies. What are air taxi and air chartered services? Air taxis and air chartered services are forms of private air travel that offers flexibility, convenience, and luxury. While air taxis are typically smaller aircraft used for short regional trips, air charters involve renting an entire aircraft for custom journeys, often for longer distance. How do they work? Booking these services is easier than you might think. You start by choosing a provider like Blade India, JetSetGo, or Book My Charters. Then provide your trip details, receive a quote, confirm the booking, and submit the necessary documents such as ID proof. Once confirmed, you are all set for a personalized flight experience. Benefits of air taxi and air chartered services. These services offer numerous benefits such as time efficiency, direct flight with no layover, convenience, access to remote areas and flexible scheduling, privacy and comfort, exclusive use of aircraft with luxury amenities, safety and health, reduced exposure to large crowds and enhanced privacy, cost involved. While the benefits are clear, these services do come at a cost. Here a quick overview of typical pricing. Helicopters from INR 80,000 to INR 1,50,000 per hour. Turboprops from INR 1,20,000 to INR 1,50,000 per hour. Light jets from INR 2 lakh to INR 2,50,000 per hour. Mid-side jet from INR 3,50,000 to INR 4,50,000 per hour. Large jets from INR 6 lakh and above per hour. Let's take a look at some of the top providers. Blade India, Head Office, Mumbai, India. Origin, United States. Advantages: specializes in helicopter services with routes like Mumbai to Pune, known for quick and efficient urban air services. JetSetGo, Head Office, New Delhi, India. Origin, India. Advantages: offers a wide range of aircraft from turboprops to large jets, known for luxury services and customizable travel experience. Book My Charters, Head Office, Mumbai, India. Origin, India. Advantages: provide an easy-to-use online platform for instant quotes and booking, with diverse fleet for different needs. Taj Air, Head Office, Mumbai, India. Origin, India. Tata Group. Advantages: part of the Tata Group providing premium services with focus on luxury and comfort. Conclusion: air taxi and air charter services in India offers a unique and luxurious way to travel. Whether for business, leisure, or emergency, they provide unmatched flexibility and convenience. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel insight from our channel. Till now, safe travel.